Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day and I hope your stock portfolios are still doing well. Today we have a very exciting stock to go over. It's one that I mentioned about a month and a half ago on my channel, and finally it's starting to break out, and that stock is Northern Star Acquisition, stock ticker symbol STIC. This is a SPAC that is set to merge with a pet company called BarkBox in the second quarter of 2021. We don't have an exact merger date yet. However, we have big news that just came out within the last 48 hours, and that is that Northern Star Acquisition and Bark, the company that they're set to merge with, just announced their preliminary third quarter fiscal 2021 results, and they were much better than expected. I mean 2020 results, and those were much better than expected, causing the stock price to skyrocket. And right now, with STIC only having a $3 billion valuation post-merger, this stock has a lot of room to grow because companies that it's competing with, such as Chewy, have over $45 billion market cap, and BarkBox is probably the second biggest player in this space. And I think you're really going to want to stick around for what I have to say. And if you enjoy this sort of content, you find it helpful, well then make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on BarkBox, if you own any of it, and what do you think about the merger. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting at $745,000, was up over 105% for 2020. This year, our goal is to get it to $1 million, and we're well on our way to doing so. We're already up over 35% for 2021. So if you'd like to see the stocks I buy in real time, when I buy, when I sell, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want access to our Discord channel, well then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time over there. So anyways, BarkBox just announced their Q3 2020 fiscal results. And these results, it says that sales increased 78% as to last year's third quarter. For the first 9 months of the year, sales grew 65% versus the comparable last year period, and subscription shipments grew 47% to 1.1 million. So that means right now they have over 1.1 million subscribers. Their revenue and sales grew over 78% just for the third quarter, year over year, and they are growing at a very rapid rate. A lot of this has to do with more people buying pets during the pandemic, people staying at home and not wanting to go to pet stores. And personally, I have a dog, and we buy his toys actually from like Target and PetSmart and Petco, and I was always buying toys that were Bark without even noticing until I invested in this stock. So they're not just a subscription box company, they also sell toys directly at Costco, Petco, and Target, as well as online. So currently, the price for STIC is right around $16.50, which gives BarkBox post-merger a valuation of about $3 billion. And projected revenue is expected to grow 91% year over year for the next 2 years. And revenue for BarkBox in 2020 was around $400 million. This was our estimate, but it was around $400 million. So they're sitting right around like 9 times sales. That's where they're sitting right now in terms of their valuation. But if you're looking at active subscriptions for BarkBox, they've been growing at a very fast rate. Over the last 2 years, we've seen them go from having 663,000 subscribers in 2020 to now having over 1.1 million active subscriptions. And that's not the only part of their business. That is the main portion, but they also sell products as well. So right now, the boxes are priced between $23 and $35 per sale, and gross margins for their products are significantly higher than a company like Chewy. Gross margins for BarkBox are around 60%, and this is much higher than Chewy. Chewy, you can't compare them directly because Chewy is an e-commerce store, just like an Amazon for pets. BarkBox isn't like that. All of the products they sell in their boxes that they sell, just directly, they're all made from BarkBox. They're all their own products, which means their margins are a lot higher. Chewy, they just are like a retailer. They sell other people's things. BarkBox makes all of their own products. They're a subscription service, and they make their own toys and treats and things like that. So in addition to their core business, which is the subscription boxes, the BarkBox and Bark Super Chewer, those are the two subscription boxes, which are a combination of toys and treats. In addition to that, they also have announced recently and started to really been pushing out. I've been seeing a lot of ads for these, which is Bark Home, which is all essentials such as beds, leashes, collars, and etc. Bark Bright, which is dog dental solution, which ships dental products for your dogs monthly. And they're also working on a future health and wellness platform to go along with that. And the third thing that they're working on is Bark Eats, which has also already rolled out in select cities across the country. And that's personalized healthy food blends and service. So that's like dog food. Rather than getting a subscription from Chewy, you could get Bark Eats. And it's a personalized blend of food for your type of dog. So they're not just a toy company. They're not just a subscription box company. They sell directly at Petco, Costco, and Target. And they also have not just toy subscription boxes. They're also doing dental, food, accessories, and everything else. They're really starting to branch out, and I really, really like that. So currently with their valuation of just around $3 billion, the only company that you could really look at to compare them to look at what the potential they have is Chewy. And Chewy, they IPO'd a little over a year and a half ago in June of 2019. They IPO'd around $30 a share. Now they're well over $100 a share, and they have over a $45 billion valuation. BarkBox isn't the same. It can't be as big as Chewy because it's just a different business. They don't sell, and they're not an e-commerce platform that sells all different types of products. They're a different business. But being at a $3 billion valuation, having over 1.1 million subscribers, investors really like having recurring revenue. And I don't think the subscribers they have are going away anytime soon. According to Chewy, if a subscriber stays with them for 3 months, it is very likely that they will stay with them for the lifetime of the pet. And since the pandemic started, they've gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers that haven't left yet. And that's mainly because people decided it'd be easier to order stuff online, get a subscription box rather than going to the store. So right now, I think that Chewy is a great stock to own. I own about 20,000 shares of it between my different portfolios, and being at only a $3 billion valuation, I think it has potential to easily 5x. I don't think that is a hard thing for it to do. If they're able to continue growing their subscriptions at the rate they are, I think that is definitely possible. Another thing that could happen is Chewy could get acquired by a larger pet retailer. We don't know, and that would also cause the stock price to jump up significantly as well. So I think a 5x return for the stock is not out of the question at all. Right now, a lot of people don't even notice or realize that BarkBox is going public through this SPAC. There's only about 1 million shares traded every single day. That's the average volume, and that's pretty low. So once people start to actually realize that BarkBox is going public, I think it's going to start to go up even more. We don't have a set merger date yet, but everyone who has BarkBox is very passionate about it. I see they always have a lot of free advertisements because when people and pet parents always get their toys in the mail or treats, they're always posting pictures of I got this box this month and my dog got this box this month. They get so much free advertisement. And at this point, with over 1.1 million subscribers, close to $400 million in revenue, and only a $3 billion valuation, I see them easily being able to double with a good chance of being able to triple, quadruple, or even 5x within the next 2 years. So anyways, let me know your thoughts on BarkBox, but I wanted to do that quick update because they did just announce the preliminary third quarter results. So let me know your thoughts, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.